Okay, so we're looking at an OCR Level 1 ICT paper here. And what I'm going to try and do is talk you through some of the tasks as best I can using live screen animations. Bear in mind this is live, so there might be a couple of bumps as we go through. So when we do our ICT tests, we find that we are given tasks to do. One of the first we're normally asked to do is some form of internet searching. So what we have a look here is Gemma is going to visit the Eden Project near St Austell. Gemma needs a map to show where the Eden Project is, so we need to find a suitable map. So let's just tackle that first. So really all we're going to do is do a basic internet search. Internet browser your choice, google.co.uk, and do a search, so map of the Eden Project for example. Okay. What we can do is we can take a screenshot of this. So we use this Snip and Sketch. If you have print screen or computer, use print screen, but have a look for Snip and Sketch. This will normally be in your pull down menu over here, and Snip and Sketch is there. So we open up, I just click on new, and what I'm doing here is I'm just doing like a tally of what we've been doing, how we've been finding things. Okay, so then all I need to do is then just put this into my document that I'll be doing my test on. Okay, so in this case I'm just doing it quickly in PowerPoint, okay, because it's the quickest and easiest what we need to do. So notice we need a little bit of resizing here, so what I do is I'm just going to do this just to resize it so we can fit it on the page like so. I'll then go back to here and then just click on Map of Eden Project, and there we go, we've got the Map of the Eden Project there. So again, all I need to do is do Snip and Sketch. Yes, you could go to the satellite option down here, but you know what, this is a test, keep it plain, keep it simple. Don't try and make your life complicated more than it needs to be. Okay, so there we go, we've got our map, and again with the advantage of the Snip and Sketch is that I can just copy it straight in like so. Okay, so here we are. So let me just quickly go back to my question a moment. I'll just double check something. Find a suitable map on the internet. There we go. So there's our suitable map for the internet. Okay, so we're going to do our next task very shortly. Let me just stop this recording and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, so what we now need to do is, I'm just going to demonstrate this here in a single slide. We now need to, as part of the process, put on a screenshot. Put this into an email as an attachment. Now, if we need to do that, we need to actually put in a footer. So, unfortunately, slightly obscured by the that's better, thank you, the dashboard there. If I click on header and footer, I go to footer, and then this puts my name onto the slide. Okay, for the purposes of this. Now again, reason to do that is these all have to be printed out in the end. We want to make sure everybody gets matched up to the right documentation. So to save that, I know I've already briefly saved it as something else, but I'll show you now. I go to Save As. I will save into the area I want to locally, and I'll click on Save. Then after a few moments, everything gets saved. Right, email. Open up the email program you'll be given on your test. You're not actually sending the email. Attach. Okay, so here we go. Despite the fact I actually tried to make sure everything came straight away, it doesn't, but here we go. Here we are, this document we want to attach. And then if we just go back to our original question paper here, where we got here, is prepare an email sends to Gemma. Okay, so it's Gemma at Progress Media. Okay, so Gemma, sorry if I just have to dive in and out a couple of times with this, sorry about this. Gemma at Progress Media. Okay, I'll just call it a Map of Eden Project. I just need to type a brief message in here as well. ensuring that of course you do get your spelling grammar right. Okay, fine, here we go. Scored that. We're not actually sending, we're screenshotting, so again we go back to our ubiquitous screen part, screenshot like so, and then you probably would put that into a Word document, for example. So but I can't actually open a Word document at the moment, so what I'll do is I'll just very quickly show you again what we can do. Just very simply put that into a PowerPoint like so. It'll be exactly the same principle. You'll put your names at the bottom. Sorry, Gulliver Bowman is my screen name that I use when I do these tests, my mock tests. Okay, and then you would save that, and then that can be printed off for you at the end.